Hello there, Mary Marshall here, registered nurse, health, wellness, and weight loss coach. I want to wish you Happy New Year and take this opportunity to introduce my new newsletter, Don't Wait, Grab Your Best Life Now. And I want to show you in this newsletter how to leverage your mindset, which is so powerful, as well as habit hacks and coaching tips and real truths about health, weight, dieting, weight loss, and health. And leverage those things to achieve your goals around food, eating, health, and maybe even your weight. So watch your inbox for me, right? Don't send me to spam, please. And I want to point out in this issue, if you scroll down through the newsletter, a couple of things. There's a recipe for optimal health, and it's a nice little reminder. You can even print this out and have it handy. It's a nice little reminder that our health is about so much more than just diet and weight. It takes a lot of things, right, to enjoy our best life and our best health. Also, there's an exercise in this issue. It's a self-awareness issue about your beliefs and thoughts about your goals and dreams. And those beliefs and the thoughts we hold can really affect the outcomes that we get. And good news is we can change our thoughts, right? And we can change our outcomes. So that's a lot of the fun work we're going to do in this newsletter. So have a blessed and happy and peaceful 2024. I hope you check out the newsletter and I hope it gives you good value. Wishing you the best new year and the warmest regards. Peace.